Hi, I'm Kayo and welcome back to my channel. Today's kanji is sh, san, san. Alright, so let's get started. Meaning 3. Radical. This stroke 1. Pronunciation 訓読みみみ3つ3つ音読み3 3 Stroke order 1 2 3 There are 3 tips for writing some beautifully. Tip 1. This tip is about the length of the stroke. So this is the shortest and medium, and the last stroke is the longest, right? So like this is a waistline. So and this is bad example. All the stroke is the same length, or like this. Yeah, they're not good. Okay. All right. Tip 2. This shape is a triangle, and there are same 2 spaces here. All right. So not like this. There are different spaces, or too close. The triangle is wide. All right, tip 3. This tip is about stroke movement. So the first stroke is a little bit curved upward, and the second stroke is a little bit upright. The last stroke is a little bit curved downward. This tip is very difficult, I think, but very important for you. So please remember and try to write like this. Not like this. These strokes are downright, so this is the worst. Yeah, flat is better, but the best is this stroke. Curved upward, upright, curved downward. A little bit, not too much. Alright, so let's write again as a review. Alright, so next is example words. Number 1. 3つ3つ3つ means 3. So 3つの中から1つ選んでください。3つの中から1つ選んでください。It means please choose one from 3. 3つの中から1つ選んでください。Like this. Okay? Number 2. 3回3回回 means a time. So 3回 means 3 times. 私はこの映画を3回見ました。私はこの映画を3回見ました。It means I saw this movie 3 times. Right? So, 私はこの映画を3回見ました。面白かった。Like this. Alright, number 3. 3日 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 has two meanings. 3 days or third day of the month. So, I will introduce here the first one, 3 days. 三日ぼうず三日ぼうず三日ぼうず means who never lasts for 3 days. So, it means get bored easily. For example, わたしは三日ぼうずです means I get bored easily. Right? So, わたしは三日ぼうずです Alright, so that's all for today. See you next video.